UNI reports that the Congress on Friday demanded Centre to replace the present goods and services tax, calling it a flawed and unstable tax regime that has ruined the Indian middle class in the past 5 years. The GST has serious word defects. In the last 5 years, these defects have only become worse. The so called GST that is enforced today was not the GST envisaged by the UPA government, said Congress MP P Chidambaram at a press conference in New Delhi at the party headquarters as the ruling dispensation celebrated the fifth anniversary of GST rollout. The former Union Finance Minister said the law is so defective that government had been forced to issue hundreds of directions. In 5 years, the government had issued 869 notifications, 143 circulars, and 38 orders. As promised in the Congress 2019 election manifesto, we will work for the replacement of the current GST by GST 2.0. Let's scrap the GST. You have to replace it, said Chidambaram. Endorsing his party colleague, MP Jairam Ramesh said, "There's no stability in the GST and without it, it cannot be successful." While Congress GST was envisaged to help small businesses, BJP's tax regime is illogical, Ramesh pointed out. The government should rethink the GST. We demand an all-party meeting for discussion over GST. We will work toward the replacement of the current GST by GST 2.0. That will be a single low rate, the Congress leader said.